All right, we're making tacos in these brand new pots and pans that we just got. Now, these are some awesome pots and pans. Now, the reason why they're awesome is because of one thing. They do this. Check that out. That is really, really awesome when you're living in a trailer or an RV, because you can stack these up and you can save space and stick them in your counter, your pantry, or wherever you have them. They are space-saving pots and pans. I love it. The fact that they have these handles right here. So here's a quick look of everything that you get included in this set. Now, this is a pretty comprehensive set right here. You get several different sizes. Like I just showed you, you get this big, deep pan. You get another frying pan right here, perfect for eggs, pancakes, whatever. And then you get a smaller size right here. And then you get a couple of these pots. You get a 9-inch pot and a 8-inch pot right here. You also get a screwdriver because it's gonna come with that when you put this together. So we just got these, we're gonna put them to use. We're gonna make some tacos with them, like I said. One of the biggest advantages with this design is that everything can be stored, but this is perfect for if we're gonna be making some tacos, we're gonna probably pick up this guy right here. So think about it for a second. We're cooking up the meat, everything's done, we're done right here. It's cold, it's cooled down, now we wanna put it in the fridge, boom. Put the lid on it, stick it in the fridge. Look how compact, versatile, and easy that is to go from cooking to storing all in the same pan. You don't have to dirty another dish, which is awesome when you're in an RV because you don't have a dishwasher. So all the dishes you have to do are by hand. I hate having to have an extra dish to store leftovers in, and now you have 2 dishes that you just dirtied. So this is perfect for that. All right. Let's get to making some tacos. Enough about how this works. This is all awesome on the storage thing, but if it can't cook, if you got uneven spots, then it's not worth it. So let's go test that out right now. With this pot, this handle is really nice. It's staying nice and cool to the touch. I don't notice any heat dissipating or leaking onto the handle, so that's really awesome. But check this out. Look how non-stick that is. I didn't pre-spray this, I didn't do anything like that, and I'm just cooking this ground beef right here for our tacos. Taco Tuesday. It is Taco Tuesday, right? Everybody has Taco Tuesday. I love the fact of how smooth that is and how non-stick. When it's done cooking, that's going to slide right off of there, and it is going to make it extremely easy. With this kit, it is the perfect kit for the RV because it's space saving. You can have multiple functions and the leftovers go right in the fridge really easy. Plus, what's not to love about the non-stick pan?